Good morning, everybody. Getting ready to take dose number 7. I'm gonna eat salad today. I may go around and try to find some places that that make a good salad. That's not too many calories. But anyway, not really hungry. Just you got to get over that where you just want to eat because you just are supposed to eat breakfast, you're supposed to eat lunch, you're supposed to eat dinner. I'm not really hungry, but just kind of the craving to want to eat something. So you just have to kind of avoid that and just kind of don't think about food. But I'm going to take my dose number 7, and I took an aspirin so I don't have a headache anymore. That is one of the side effects. So right there. Actually, not enough. I get a little bit more in there. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna take this. And in about 2 hours, I'm gonna go get a salad or make a salad, one of the two. And I will be back. Okay, I forgot to add in there that I weighed myself this morning, and I weighed 229, and that's going to be the baseline that I go by. I weigh myself every whenever I wake up. So it's not going to be in the morning. You're supposed to weigh yourself only one time a day, and that's right when you wake up after you go to the restroom and all that. So anyway, 229 is the baseline that we're starting with, and we'll see what happens. So it is 9 o'clock in the morning, so I'm going to eat about 12. I'm making my grilled chicken now. I got some grilled chicken from Kroger. It's already cooked, and then I'm going to put it in the pan. I'm going to char it a little bit, and then I will get back with you as soon as I'm done with that to make my salad. Be back.